This is Amaziah the Great. Hello and good day. Welcome to my channel, Great Amaziah. Big ups to all my fans, viewers, and subscribers, and which part of the world on a day. Just be very careful as on a traverse because COVID-19 now play. Worldwide cases increasing rapidly every day. So I'm advising you, my friends, practice social distance same way. When you hear say Trump got the virus, well, don't go away. If you have not subscribed yet, go and go do it now. Then listen to what I have to say.
Come on, cool it, watch it dry cough. Corona upon the gong and in the ear like night talk. Before you touch your face, dirty and beg you go wash it off.
Reading an article from the CNN website, President Donald Trump announced early Friday that he and his wife both tested positive for the coronavirus. An extraordinary development coming months into a global pandemic and in the final stretch of his re-election campaign, in which he has floated experts' guidance on preventing the disease spread. The diagnosis amounts to the most serious known health threat to a sitting American president in decades. At 74 years old and obese, Trump falls into the highest risk category for the serious complication from the disease, which has killed more than 200,000 Americans and more than 1 million people worldwide. His infection with the disease could prove destabilizing in an early fraught political climate, and stock market futures tumbled on news of Trump's infection. He quoted, "Tonight, Flotus and I tested positive for the COVID-19. We will begin our quarantine and recovery process immediately. We will get through this together," Trump tweeted shortly before 1 a.m. on Friday. Later, the First Lady wrote on Twitter that she and her husband were feeling good. Trump was last seen in public on Thursday afternoon, returning to the White House after a fundraising trip to New Jersey. He did not appear ill, though he did not speak to reporters as he walked into his residence. Well, do you believe that Trump have the virus? Well, I don't know. He said so in his tweets. Anyway, if you want more of this story, it can be found in the link right here in the description. So go and go check it out on the CNN website. The coronavirus COVID-19 is affecting 213 countries and territories around the world and 2 international conveyances. Coronavirus cases is equal up to 34 million. Death is over 1 million. Recovery is over 25 million. As I go on to the top 10 countries with the COVID-19 report cases. Number 1 is the United States of America with over 7 million persons infected. India at number 2 with over 6 mil. Number 3, Brazil with over 4 million cases. Number 4, Russia with over 1 million cases. Number 5, Colombia with over 835,000 cases. Peru, number 6 with over 818 cases. Spain is at number 7 with over 778 cases. Number 8, Argentina with over 765,000 cases. Mexico coming in at number 9 with over 748,000 cases. And South Africa is at number 10 with over 676 cases. Well, as I fast forward, cause curiosity nearly knocked me out as I relates to Jamaica. I don't want to know which part we're there. And at the time it was at 113 of the affected countries worldwide when I last checked. I'm not sure where it's at now. But for the latest updates in Jamaica, well, it was reported now we have over 6,700 confirmed cases. 149 new cases in the last 24 hours. So far, we have 2,112 recovered cases. Active cases are 4,386 and 116 persons are dead. Condolences goes out to all of the folks them worldwide who lost their loved one. And this one now, as I about to read from the Gleaner, is very tragic. 85-year-old with COVID killed self at hospital. A senior citizen who was tested positive for COVID-19 and who was admitted to the isolation ward at Savannah Lamar General Hospital is believed to have committed suicide after his body was found hanging from the roof. He has been identified as 85-year-old Fetus Wright. Him come from Geneva District, Grange Hill, Westmoreland. Reports are that Wright became distressed after he got the news that he had tested positive for the coronavirus, but not given any indication that he would think about suicidal task.
After him get the news, we see it clear say him not happy and talk to himself a lot.
A hospital source told the Gleaner.
He never really looked sick, so it came to a surprise that he decided to end his life rather than to fight the disease,
the source said. Superintendent Robert Gordon, commanding officer for the Westmoreland Police, told the Gleaner that the death would be thoroughly investigated. Our investigation went to the hospital and we have collected statements, which would be used to make a determination as to what happened, he said. Gordon urges senior citizens whose vulnerability to the disease is exacerbated by underlying illness to rigidly observe COVID-19 safety protocols to stay home as much as possible. So folks, please turn down the yard. If you don't have to go road, no bother do it. Please, don't go up on the street. Errol Green, Regional Director of Western Regional Health Authority, confirmed that a COVID-19 patient has committed suicide at the Westmoreland Hospital but did not reveal his identity. He, the patient, committed suicide, and so the relatives will just have to come and take the body, Green said. Whether or not there's a post-mortem to be done, I don't know if the doctor is going to order that. We will do our investigations. Whoa. Such a sad situation that occurred with the elder, but even reports with pick-me are going with them things here. So parents, please try to spend as much time as possible with your kids. Talk to them during this time of global crisis. This is a time when all sorts of things invade and explore through their young minds. It is a time even when depression and suicidal thoughts linger inside. It's a time when perverts try to lure them away. So talk as much as possible with them and get involved in them activities. Kids, if you know I watch my video now or listen this, try not trust no boy or no man around. Oh no, be careful of the sites you go on online and engage on appearance with whatever you are doing online, okay? Don't quick to click any links. Parents, make me tell you this. Monitor on the pick to them social media space and not bother load them up freely because really they will get caught up with illusions and freaky. Me I tell you as it is. This is Amaziah the Great. The truth me have to speak it. Tell them precisely.
The whole of government is making every effort to safeguard public health as the novel coronavirus, COVID-19, remains a clear and present danger to the island.
Who that a tell me fi top chat? No tell me no lie, both say a rat bat. Some say a boiled dog, some say a fried cat. But I think them a go on with them, me no like that.
Okay, viewers, fans, friends, my family, them, subscribers, everybody, thanks so much for watching. Please do feel absolutely free to drop us your comment and be kind to leave a feedback. Yeah, comment, like, share, and tell others about it. And also remember to hit the notification bell if you want to be updated on what's new. Talking about what's new, go and go check out Amaziah the Great collections. Me have whole heap of merchandise. I'm going with a bag of things. Enough t-shirt designs, don't tell them precisely. Available on Teespring. Enough people are talk about it, but go and go look for yourselves. Links will be in the description below. We have tabs for females, males, babies, cups, phone cases, etc. Mr. Go and go look now. Follow Amaziah the Great collection on IG and like us on Facebook. If you haven't watched My Name is Pam before, features my sister Quality. Please do go and go watch it and share it as it relates to domestic abuse against women and a woman's struggle through it to independence. Also remember to check out Amaziah the Great music on Amazon, Spotify, Tidal, Deezer, Google Play. It's everywhere.